Akiaria ri mucemanio wa aria marenda kurugama iturwa itiganite na kiama kia UDA, President William Ruto mena munini wake Kithure Kindiki ni maranereire mubango wa kuriha mathiri mothe maria menamo ma waki wa barabara.
This Friday we are paying all the bills for 2025 up to December for our roads. This Friday. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Wakati tulifika hapa kulikuwa na pending bill ya mambo ya barabara karibu bilioni 300. We have paid, and I'm telling the people of Kenya and every contractor in the Republic of Kenya, mwenye ako na bill, ako na certificate, up to December 2025, we will pay all of them on Friday.
By the time President Ruto was sworn into office, we had pending bills owed to contractors of 190 billion Kenya shillings. President Ruto has paid all the pending bills for all the contractors.
Maugete mubango wao ni gwaka kilomita 6,000 cia barabara itena-ini ria mbere, acoke make ingi 28,000 itena-ini ria keri.
We want to complete the 6,000 kilometers that we have contracted by next year. Alafu sasa tutengeneze another 28,000 kilometers. Mimi nikiuliza hapa, watu wengi wataniambia tunataka barabara. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Si mnajua tuko na matatizo ya barabara?
I can proudly confirm to you that all the stalled roads, the contractors are back. If they have not arrived, they are on the way. And those roads, we have enough money to build and complete them, a total of 6,000 kilometers.
Riu maroria muingi wikare thi wirorere thirikari ikihingia ciiraniro ciayo makiria kunina muhatikano barabara-ini imwe nene bururi-ini.
Kuna barabara hata tuko na barabara ya lami lakini uko na msongamano mkubwa. That is why we have said we are going to build dual carriageways, 2,500 kilometers.
Akiaria mweri muhituku, mwandiki mukaru wa ruhonge rwa kigina araugire thirikari ni irikitie kuhitukia ciringi bilioni 225 cia kuriha thiri uria enaguo wa ciringi bilioni 606 na gatagati ka mbeca icio bilioni 80 ni ciarikitie kurekererio mbere ya tuingirite mweri uyu turi wa iri. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Jenga wa Wambui.